my sugars, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, sorry, I will be doing a review. My slime ingredients are finally here. I got 2 packages, but the other package will be here in about 3 days, so I'll be posting that video. But here's just a quick sneak peek, you know. And here I have did this. Does this come in the mail? No. I did take it out of the packaging because I didn't want you guys to see my address, and that would just be weird. So yeah, let's just get straight into this review. So first is medium foam beads and Java chips. Oh yeah. So I have green ones. This is a really big bag. It's like big as my hand. Green. They're called watermelon green. A really pretty pink. A blue version. I do have some blue Java chips, but I've used like basically there's only 5 left, so I don't know what I'm doing with that. But yeah, blue, orange. And oh my god, this looks so pretty in the packaging. This is so pretty. And like brown, like really dark brown. And wow, oh, this is probably my favorite one. So a bunch of this stuff is like charms and like fruit sauces. So and also I forgot, it did come with some little containers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It comes with 5 containers. They didn't have to do that. It did say on the listing, but I'm going to keep these little containers. Oh my god, we're getting into the really cute female sauces. If you didn't know, I got like about 100 different types of female sauces. So here it is. Here's the oranges. Oh, like little silver stars. Oh, yes, yes. Grapes. Watermelon BMO slices. Dragon fruit. Oh my god. And then the rest are like little, like here's some fake sprinkles. And the rest are basically just charms. So all these are charms. Sprinkles. Crushed up gold leaf with a purple undertone in the sun. I don't think you guys can see it, but there's a purple undertone. These, I have never seen any charms like these, and I don't have any charms like these. Here, like, you might be thinking them are not charms, they're like little mini slime add-in balls things, but they're not. I'm gonna actually take one out for you guys. Cause it has oh my gosh, as you can see. And yeah, they don't open, that's why. They're charms, they don't open. Oh my god, I love these. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Okay. These are like... Oh, I was about to say these are beads. But did you guys... Yeah, these aren't beads because they don't have holes in the middle. I'm going to take one out to make sure they don't have holes in the middle. They're translucent charms. These look like beads. They look like translucent beads, but they don't got the like thing for a string in the middle. So these are really cute. Really cute. There's a bunch of these, but really cute. Different color, clear star charms. Oh my god! Okay, these are like pearls. So I got 3. This is for probably 1 slime. So I just use 1 pearl. But yeah. They're the pearls. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm dying. Okay. Look at these. Rainbow charms. honey. I am here for it. Oh my god, these are so pretty. We have this ones, and like this one, and like a green one and a purple one. So these are really cute. Okay, we're trying to move on to these. Okay. Oh, these are so pretty. Little heart confetti with a iridescent like undertone or overtone. I don't really know. Oh, guys, these charms are all broken. Guys, no. Only one of them is not broken. Oh, one of them's, they're all broken except that purple one. I'm gonna take them out and show you guys. Oh my god. Are these fake charms? Oh no. This is the only one that made it. This is the only one that made it. Oh no. See, this one's broke. This one's broke. Oh, and this one. I guess I could use these as like fishtails, I guess. I could use these as like little fishtails. But other than that, oh, that's sad. Oh. Well, none of their charms are broken. Thank God. Oh, they're broken. I guess I'll keep them. I'll put them in here. That's where I put all the broken charms from now. I guess I'm just gonna use these for like little fishtails, I guess. And that's really sad. Okay, next one. I am shaking. Sorry, I just got so excited. These again. Okay, so I'm gonna show you two of the ones. You guys are probably gonna think these are beads. But these two, and ones that I showed a minute ago, these are not beads, you guys. Okay? These are not beads. So first, I got some heart ones. As you can see, they don't have any place for string. So these are not beads. Here's some heart shape. These are actually really cute clear charms in heart shape. I got some in stars. And oh my god, these are so cute. I got some like this, but these don't have numbers on them. These are like, to me they look like colored ice cubes. Or like literally just normal squares. Let's go get the ones that I have that are really close to them, but they're not exactly. Here's this one. I have about 20, but here's just one. The little dash charm. Okay, I'm finding another one. Here's another one. I got a bunch more, but yeah. That's my charm bucket, FYI. So let me just separate the charm from my other stuff. But next thing, what is this? What is this? What is this, you guys? Is this borax? First, they did not tell me. First, I'm getting a lot of surprises because I didn't actually know that there was. They did. So some of the stuff they didn't show in the picture, I'm now noticing. They didn't show these charms. They didn't show these charms. They didn't show these charms. But there was more pictures that I didn't look at. Is this borax? What is this? Is this like drugs? What is this? I don't think it's drugs. I think it's borax. They need to, if this is borax, they need to put a label on it. I think I'm going to throw this away, you guys. Yeah, I think I'm just going to throw this away. They should, if that's borax, they should really label it. This looks like sugar. Like, if someone was like tiny slimer, they would think this is sugar, but, yeah. Here are some little star under holographic things. Here are just some fishbowl beads. Here, okay, these are little candy charms. Now, panda charms. Whoa. First half of this stuff is charms, which I'm not mad about. But I'm just gonna get the charms real quick, separate all of them. Oh, thank God. So I'm just separating the charms, putting on my shirt. No more charms. Come with I got some charms. I'm actually not gonna take these out of the packaging, but here's my charm bucket. Yeah, you could say, I kind of got a lot. Let's just stay here until, yeah, I kind of got a lot. Anywhere from food to more pearls to unicorns to, like, boat steering wheels to donuts to strawberries to, like, burger to seashell to news. I think I'm just gonna put that slime pile thing up there. I can't forget my scrunchies. Don't worry, that is not the only scrunchies I have. Now I'm going to get these in a minute. Here's my, like, this is where I keep all my famous glasses. I'm not gonna show you, but this is basically my rare slime ingredients. So I'm basically just gonna get all of this. Focus, all of them and these over to the female slice area. So I'm just gonna put these back in there. I wouldn't say it's a female slice area. It's basically all of my other slime ingredients. So my charms are separate, and then it's all of my other slime ingredients over there. And then if I'm using the slime ingredients, I bring them to. I'll show you. I don't really have a specific place. I was about to say person, but I don't got a specific place where I put them. I just put them somewhere. But here is it. It's looking really full. I don't know if I'm gonna. And then my water for my glasses. This is where I put them, and I usually I'm at school send pictures. I take pictures, upload them, like with my Polaroid, and then bring them to school and then ask people if they want any just for free. But oh god, we almost forgot the little extra little cups they gave us. I'm also gonna put that over there. And these are just gonna be for extra, just in case I ever run out one day. But so yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this random stuff, but I'm gonna try to make borax like with it or something. Like, I'm not lying, it looks like sugar. For real. I'm pretty sure it ain't sugar, but I'm kind of scared. I'm actually gonna, oh my god, I'm so far off. Jay! What is this? They didn't say, what is this?
Let me see.
If this is borax, I could
Let
die.
me see. What is that?
What is that?
Hang on.
No, they didn't show it in the pictures.
I'm going back to see.
Like, because I'm pretty sure it's slime activator, but I don't really know. Because they didn't show that in the picture.
You know,
Yes, I am. Because I wanted to ask you, but they didn't show that in the picture. Here, let me show.
hang on, baby. Oh, please.
Let me see the picture.
Is this it?
Yeah, let me see.
Okay, let me pull it up, please.
Yeah.
Right there it is.
Oh, then what is that?
Let's see. This says 46 pack slime supply kit, slime beads, charms, glitter, fishbowl, slime making, do it yourself. There it is right there.
Look.
See?
Yeah. But I don't know what that is.
I have no clue.
I guess it's borax. I mean, I don't even know.
Let's see what it says right here in the description.
Okay.
Tools for making slime.
Hold on, let me say accessories for children. Yeah, it don't say any.
Here.
A 5 Okay, go up. Go up. Hold on.
Snow powder? Could that be snow powder?
That's instant snow.
Here, I got to go check out your pizza or your whatever's cooking.
Guys, I thought this was borax. This is instant snow. Oh, this one looks like sugar. Oh, this is snow powder. Oh, so this is instant snow. Yes. I'm fixing cheese sticks, or I just got them done, whatever. But yeah, this is instant snow. Sorry, guys. I was thinking this was like borax, but they definitely should label this, because even if instant snow, you could. I'm probably gonna do my research before I say anything, but I don't really know if you could die from any instant snow, like the dry con, but yeah, this is instant snow. Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna dump this into my little instant snow
How many you want, baby?
But 6. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and yeah. So like the video,
Here you go.
subscribe down below, and comment what you thought this was, and no cheating. But yeah, comment down below what you thought this was. You can't be like, oh, first I thought, and then I was thinking. You just gotta say, what did you think this was? I was thinking this was borax. Because one else would have come in the thing. But yeah, so yeah.
Okay, so
Like,
hurry up, Libby. So what are you gonna take? You want me to put some more Capri Suns in here for snack, or what do you want? What do you want to take tomorrow?
I
Or
guess-
the flask?
I want to take the flask.
Okay.
But yeah, like this video, subscribe, and comment down below what you thought this was. So, bye my sugars. Mwah.